This one, yeah, this one is Mohra, and she is a mixed breed, Arabian and English. And here we have Jawahar, the Arabian horse. So how are you guys? Hope you're doing well. Yes. Okay. So they love to play in this place. They will walk and sometimes they just roll there in the sand. And here we have Zama. She is 5 and she is a real racer. So she runs professional horse. She goes for race, and here she is. So she is Arabian too. In there is a farm which we have seen before, if you have seen my other video. So this is that farm. And here we have a goat. So he is from Somalia. How are you? Fine. Okay, great. Wonderful morning. Enjoy, Zama. So on this farm we have this new addition. So here are the pigeons. They were not here before, if you have seen the video. And another addition is this cow here, and the one who's sitting there. So they were not here before, but now they're here. New members on this farm. And on the back there's this view. Let's go closer to them. Rooster and some hens. And you have seen these date palms before. Here are the chickens, and they have grown up. Last time when we saw them, they were little ones. Okay, bye. We are going back. So we are out now. And if you see them, they're enjoying now. All right. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.